The Duterte administration recognizes the lack of infrastructure to support research and development in our country. Our average spending for research and development from 2002 to 2015 averages only 0.13% of the GDP as compared to the world average of 1%. With this, a strategy of our Philippine Development Plan 2017 to 2022 is to enhance the creative capacity for knowledge and technology generation through the establishment of innovation hubs, research and development centers, modernization of existing R&D facilities, and other similar mechanisms to carry out higher level of R&D activities. In addition, Secretary Fortunato T. de la Peña of DOST saw the success of the food innovation centers established nationwide. Considering that the metals industry is an enabler of all other industries, Secretary de la Peña wanted to replicate the success of the FICs by establishing one Metals and Engineering Innovation Center in every region nationwide. The Metals and Engineering Innovation Center is an R&D facility hosted by a state university and is equipped with industry-grade manufacturing equipment. Depending on the niche or R&D focus of the MAIC, for example, they focus on agro-industrial machinery development, the equipment will include hydraulic shearing machines, hydraulic press brakes, sheet metal rollers, plasma cutters, welding machines, heat treatment furnaces, design and simulation software, and other related metalworking tools and equipment. Having this equipment, the MAIC can manufacture and or produce large prototype assemblies of an agro-industrial equipment such as that of the FIC equipment like retorts, spray dryers and vacuum fryers, agricultural implements, pre- and post-harvest equipment, among others. The host universities for the MAIC were nominated by our DOST regional offices following these criteria. Strong curriculum in engineering and metalworking technology. It must also have conducted various R&D activities in the fields of engineering and technology. And it has plans to establish an R&D facility or already has an existing R&D facility related to metals and engineering. All 15 DOST regional offices have nominated one SUC in the regions. The first batch of SUCs are from the Ifugao State University in Cordillera Administrative Region, Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University in Region 1, Cagayan State University in Region 2, Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology in Region 3, and University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines in Region 10. We are now preparing the proposal for the Batch 2 of the remaining nominated SUCs who will host the MAIC in the remaining 10 regions. As mentioned earlier, the MAIC is an R&D facility hosted by a partner SUC. These SUCs have capable faculties and researchers who can propose solutions to pressing problems in their respective communities, with added capability to design, simulate, and produce the actual prototypes. These pressing problems may have immediate solutions without relying too much from national RDIs located in Metro Manila. Also, with an industry-grade manufacturing equipment, local metals engineering firms may have access to the facility based on a time-sharing scheme implemented by the host university. With this, local M&E industry can outsource some of its production processes requiring equipment installed at the MAIC. Moreover, our students may also benefit from the MAICs. Admittedly, our SUCs, particularly those offering engineering and technical courses, have limited metalworking and fabrication facilities. Thus, they have less exposure in actual machining and fabrication processes than their SUC counterparts located in more industrialized areas. The MAIC will give them opportunities to have actual feel and experience on the use of metalworking and fabrication machines, including quality control equipment and tools. With the MAICs established inside the very able hands of our partner universities, we expect potential growth on the number of R&D activities in the regions. And the MAIC will indeed transform your ideas into innovations.